Not only am I a big fan of computer hardware, I'm also fond of the tools that are used to put them together. Today I have the CRL Ratcheting extension screwdriver. If you need to extend the reach of this screwdriver, it simply just pulls out. And to push the screwdriver back in, you simply push up here and it allows the screwdriver to go back in. This is a hefty screwdriver. It feels like really high quality. If we were to bring out the scale, we were looking at a little over 300 grams, 309 grams, and a little under, just shy of 11 ounces. The length of the screwdriver closed is about 9.5 inches, and extended, we are looking at right at 15 inches. This has ratcheting. Number 2 Phillips head screwdriver. Looks like a number 1. A large and small flathead, as well as a large and small Torx.